Hey you, how you doing? He's still not quite back to 100% yet. He's a good girl. At least you're eating now. You're not stuffed up anymore. Come here. Pretty girl. You're just not there yet. You just don't feel quite too well yet. Yes, but you're pretty. You were playing this morning. You were playing this morning. You're so pretty. Okay, gotta eat some more. The tail is getting better. It's fluffy. Oh, she's so skinny. She's eating though. She's eating dry food, and I think she'll be good in a couple days. Hey, you. Come here, silly. Come here, silly girl. Yes. You're very pretty, aren't you? Oh, and there's Mom. It's like, I'm very pretty too. Down here, maybe. Yes. Okay. We're gonna go on a trip soon. Start eating. Eat up.